Okay, folks, there's a disaster going on right now in Georgia. A large tornado has just passed through the town of Talbotton, Georgia. Talbotton, Georgia has just been hit by a large tornado on the north side of town. This is a extremely dangerous situation. And that's not the only tornado producing cell. There are numerous tornado producing cells in Georgia at this moment. Tornado actually went through Talbotton just 10 minutes ago. This is a large and extremely dangerous situation. I mean, this is a large tornado, and the situation is extremely dangerous right now. There are likely going to be numerous injuries, fatalities. This is a very, very large tornado. From the way it looks on the radar, this is likely to be a maxi wedge tornado, probably at least an EF3 on the Fujita scale. This is a large tornado. It's probably going to be at least an EF2, EF3 on the EF scale. I'm looking out here, and I'm in Manhattan here. It's already starting to snow just a little bit, just started. I mean, but forget about the snow. This is really bad what's going on in Georgia. I hope there are no injuries. I hope all the debris I'm seeing is just, leaves and trees and not homes that are being destroyed. But unfortunately, with the town being so close to the debris signature, it's probably homes. It's probably shingles, tiles, roofs being ripped off. It probably is. It's probably debris. It's definitely debris. Just hopefully it's not debris from homes. That's my only concern. This tornado is heading east-northeast. It's heading northeastward at a very rapid movement, east-northeast, at 60 miles per hour. This tornado is moving east-northeast at 60 miles an hour. So are the other cells. Some of them are moving northeast. This one is moving east-northeast. It's almost like so this is facing north, so it's moving this way. And this tornado is just enormous. I haven't seen any photos of it yet. I mean, there haven't been any photos posted on Twitter yet, but I know this tornado is going to be large. It's going to be like the one that hit, like the one I said that hit in Minnesota, the one that hit a town I couldn't really pronounce. This is a large tornado. This tornado has, clearly, if you go, I just looked at the radar. There's definitely a debris signature. I looked on the dual polarization radar, and it's blue. That is debris. There's a shit ton of debris in this storm. This is a huge tornado. There are probably going to be numerous fatalities. I hope I'm wrong, but this looks really bad. There is a tornado outbreak. There's at least 10 different tornado warnings in Georgia right now. So that's not the only cell to be concerned about. There's so many others. And the atmosphere is primed there for tornadoes, because this storm is being pushed along at 60 miles an hour. It's why the storm will start and finish in only 12 hours, even though the low pressure system will just rush right by us. And so these very strong winds aloft, and you're going to have wind shear too, because you're having south surface winds or southwest winds at the surface, or west winds aloft, or southwest winds aloft, southeast winds at the surface. That is perfect for tornadoes, because you're having a lot of wind shear today. And these are not line storms. These are discrete supercells that are ahead of the main line. And here's the thing. There's a shield of rain, and in addition to those supercells, if you're not in those supercells, you're still getting rain. That's the crazy thing. These supercells are forming despite clouds and rain surrounding the area. I'm in New York City. I just found out about the tornado, and I had to start streaming. Jesse, I can't stream from there because I can't teleport myself. Yeah, I just found out about the tornado because, I was on I looked on the radar site when I found the tornado. So, anyway, I'm going to be going home soon, but so I'm streaming this now because, it's occurring now. There's a large tornado on the ground. In fact, there are numerous tornadic supercells in the state of Georgia. This is an extremely dangerous situation. I will keep you updated. This stream will last for another 10 minutes. The tornado that just hit the town of Talbotton is now moving east-northeast through rural Georgia, through Talbotton County. I believe, I don't know what county it is going to cross in right now. I'm going to have to look on the radar again, but Talbotton, Georgia, the north side of Talbotton has just been hit by a very large tornado, and they're likely going to find near total destruction there, or at least significant damage. Hopefully, the tornado is not as strong as expected, what I fear it is. But I expect it to be between an EF2 and an EF4 scale. So any homes that were struck by the tornado are going to suffer major damage to total destruction. And of course, and any homes near the tornado are going to suffer minor to moderate structural damage from the RFD winds and from the outer winds of the tornado itself. Here in New York City, where I am right now, the precipitation has just started in the past 15 minutes. It started as a period of some very light snow mixed with a little bit of rain. It was very light. It's very light right now. But yes, it was snow. So apparently it's just wet snow right now. Just stopped. But that's not the big thing I'm going to talk about. It's a tornado that's just hitting Georgia. Go to Georgia Radar. If you have radar scope, go to that site. It's called Radar Scope. If you have it, just go to that radar site, and you will see all the debris that I'm talking about. Talbotton, Georgia has just been hit by a devastating tornado approximately 20 minutes ago. So basically, as I started the stream, the tornado has just hit the town. I'm going to make another stream later. I'm going to end the stream right now. Thank you for watching, and hopefully nobody